Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to let you know that the video I had scheduled to be released this weekend, I have to completely redo as I was doing the editing midweek after I shot it last Sunday, a week ago from today. I noticed that there was something wrong with the microphone. It sounded like somebody was dragging the microphone on the ground. So all you could hear was a little something like this. And you couldn't even hear anything. So what I did is I had a video put away for a rainy day in case something like this happened. So I did order a new mic last week, and as soon as I got the new mic midweek, now I had plumbing issues. So as you can see, life happens. It happens to all of us. So I'm going to reshoot the video I was going to release today, and I will release it next weekend. So I hope you like this short video. This is just a little way I make a particular food item. Some people have called it gross. Some people have called it gross, and then I've had them try it, and they said that's pretty damn good. So I'm going to show you how I do this, and I will see you next weekend with a regular type video. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe everybody if you haven't. Have a good day. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how I make a baked potato. This is the way I've been doing it all my life, and don't knock it until you try it. Well, you can thank my mom for showing me how to do this. I have been doing this all my life, and it is very good, and you should try it one time. You just never know. Starts with a layer of butter first. Then we're going to put some sour cream on it. I know you agree with me that this far. But what I'm about to do next is something you probably never have done. Let me know in the comments if you've done it. Otherwise, I'm going to show you what it's all about. Now I'm going to take some ketchup and put this all over the sour cream and mix it up. All right, let's get it mixed up. Ain't no different than putting ketchup on French fries. We're just adding sour cream and butter. And there you have it, the way I've made a baked potato pretty much all of my life. You got to try it sometime because you'll love it. And here you go. It's going to be incredible. Effing delicious. One more time. The dog got that piece that dropped. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody.